Hey, plant lovers! Ever thought about expanding your indoor jungle without spending a dime? Well, you're in luck, because today we're talking about houseplants you can propagate in just 1 month. Grab your gardening gloves, let's dig in. Spider plants are up first. Easily propagated through offsets, simply wait till roots develop on the offsets, then transfer them to well-draining soil. Next, we have Pothos. Known for its forgiving nature, you can propagate it through stem cuttings. A few weeks in water or moist soil, and you have roots ready for potting. Snake plants also make the list. You can either divide the rhizomes or propagate leaf cuttings. Plant these cuttings in a well-draining mix and watch the new plants sprout. Coleus is another quick propagator. Stem cuttings are the way to go. Just remove the lower leaves and let roots develop in water or soil before potting. African violets offer vibrant blooms and can be propagated through leaf cuttings. Insert the leaf stem into a moist growing medium, and new plantlets will soon form. The ever-popular jade plant is next. Cut the stem, let it dry for a few days, and then plant it in well-draining soil. Simple as that. Prayer plants are a versatile choice for propagation. Either divide the plant or propagate through stem cuttings. You'll have new plants in no time. English ivy is an elegant addition to any indoor garden. Cut a stem with a few nodes and let it root in water. Once roots form, transfer it to soil. Peperomia plants can also be propagated quickly. Use stem cuttings and plant them in a moist growing medium. Roots will develop swiftly. Boston ferns can be propagated by dividing the plant's runners. Just separate the offsets and plant them in suitable soil. Keep it moist for better establishment. The visually stunning kalanchoe can be propagated through stem cuttings. Let it dry a bit and then plant in well-draining soil. You'll see roots forming soon enough. Aloe vera is another easy one. Simply remove the offsets and plant them in well-draining soil. ZZ plants require a bit more caution but can be propagated by division. Just ensure each section has healthy roots and stems. Swiss cheese plants are simple to propagate using stem cuttings. Place the cutting in water or soil and roots will soon form. Philodendrons, much like pothos, can be propagated through stem cuttings. Just cut below a node and place it in water or soil. For those who love succulents, you can propagate them from leaf cuttings. Let them dry and callus over, then place them in well-draining soil. Rhabdopetalum, sedum, and echeveria are perfect for this. And finally we have Tratus scantia. Stem cuttings are your best bet. Place them in water or moist soil, and you'll soon have roots ready for potting. And that wraps up our list of houseplants that you can easily propagate within a month. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more expert gardening tips. We'll see you next time.